Stunning single-level home on 2.84 acres in Sundance, offering a perfect blend of modern luxury and serene living. This beautifully updated 3-bedroom home features an open floor plan with tall ceilings and new luxury lighting. The recently remodeled kitchen includes quartz countertops, coco-colored cabinets, a 6-burner stove, GE Café Series appliances, a new dishwasher, and an instant hot faucet. French doors off the great room open to a private Trex deck and lush gardens. The spacious primary suite includes a walk-in closet, patio access, and an exclusive loft for an office, gym, or retreat. Additional bedrooms have large closets, new windows, and a Jack and Jill bathroom. A 3-car garage, air conditioning, dual water heaters, and underground utilities add convenience. Enjoy a fully fenced backyard with a saltwater hot tub gazebo.